Hello and welcome back to Waterfront Academy's channel. Today we're excited to show you how to play one of our favorite elementary classroom games, the Spanish Vocabulary Dominoes Game. This game is perfect for ages 6 to 12 and is a fun, brain-boosting way to practice Spanish vocabulary while building focus, strategy, and visual discrimination skills. Our version of dominoes is unique because each card has an image on one side and a Spanish vocabulary word on the other. Children not only match images to images or words to words, they must match images to words and words to images. This gives them rich language practice and a good dose of mental gymnastics. If you'd like to make this game at home or school, here's how we create ours. 1. Print the domino set on cardstock. Each piece has a picture, half and a word half. 2. Print the backs, optional, on regular copy paper to make the cards look more finished. 3. Cut out each domino card carefully. 4. Glue the printed backs onto the cards. 5. Laminate the dominoes so they last year after year. This step is optional for home use. For home practice, feel free to skip the backs and lamination. Paper dominoes are perfectly fine, and still lots of fun. To set up the game: 1. Shuffle all dominoes. 2. Each player draws 6 dominoes to start. 3. Place 1 domino in the center to begin the game. 4. Keep the remaining dominoes face down in a pile. This is the draw pile. Okay, let's learn how to play. Players take turns adding a domino to either end of the chain. A domino may be placed only if the image matches the word, or the word matches the image. After placing a domino, the player draws one from the pile. If a player cannot make a move, they skip their turn, but still draw a domino. This constant drawing keeps the game moving and makes it more exciting. Children stay engaged, and it gives more practice with vocabulary. The first player to use all their dominoes wins. But of course, in true Montessori spirit, the real goal is building confidence, strengthening memory, and practicing Spanish vocabulary in a playful, meaningful way. We hope you enjoy playing the Spanish Vocabulary Dominoes game at home or in your classroom. It's simple to learn, fun to play, and an excellent way to reinforce a week's vocabulary list. If you'd like more Spanish resources or Montessori lesson ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Gracias por acompañarnos. See you next time.